Hi guys. I welcome you all. Thanks for choosing Flowy AI. In this video, I'll guide you with a full walkthrough demo of the Flowy AI software, the world's first cinematic video creator powered by Google's Flowy AI, a complete game changer for content creators, marketers, and businesses alike. After your successful registration, log into the dashboard with your login details. You'll be directed to this dashboard. On the left side panel, you'll have access to each and every feature in this tool, such as text-to-video, text-to-image, image-to-video, video editor, my videos, etc. In the main page, you'll have easy access to three main features of the tools, such as text-to-video, image-to-video, and text-to-image. Below that, you'll have space to view the overall account's activities, such as videos created, credits left in your account, recent activity, and quick actions in the bottom. Let's jump to text-to-video option. Just enter your prompt. The negative prompts will be automatically added, and then choose the video resolution as 480p or 720p. For now, these two resolutions were supported. We'll update more in the future. And then select the aspect ratio, and then hit the Generate Video button. After a few seconds, it will generate the video based on your prompt. You can simply view and download it to your devices easily. Next, we'll jump to the text-to-image option. In this, you'll be able to create images with the prompt. Just enter the prompt and select the aspect ratio you need and hit the Generate Image button. Within a few seconds, the image will be generated based on your prompt. Next, we'll check the image-to-video option. In this, we can able to generate a video with an image. To do that, just upload your image and enter the prompt. Choose other general things such as resolution, aspect ratio, and hit the Generate Video button to start the process. Within a few seconds, it will generate the video. And the next feature is the built-in video editor tool. With this, you can edit your video with some cool features like trim, transform, filters, effects, and audio. To do that, just upload your video and play around with the tools in it. After done with the edit, simply click on the Export button to export your edited video in it. And finally, the profile section. In this, you can edit or change your account details like name, password in it. I think I've covered all the topics inside the app in this walkthrough demo. If you have any queries or doubts beyond this, feel free to reach out to our support team anytime. Thank you.